Well, I'm out on a set of rocks, and I might even shoot some colour film tonight. Woohoo! Right, so first things first, load some film. Well, I've only got one colour film with me, Ektar, so I think we'll load Ektar. Now, I am not disposed to shooting colour film, but tonight the light's just, when it was out, perfect for colour. Right, I have got my widest lens on my 50mm Zenson on, and I'm shooting at f/16, gone for a sort of hyperfocal setting. Should be enough to get the foreground rock sharp and also the distant, but if there's a slight softening in the foreground, I can live with that. Well, what I'm completely lacking at the moment is light. I don't have any light to speak of. I just have a lot of shadows. Pity really, because the light's beautiful over on Stanage over there. And it will come out from behind this cloud, so I better get ready. I'll get the spot meter out now and do a quick meter reading around the rocks. Well, the light is just started to break through. I'll try and show you behind me. It is going to be fantastic and hit the rocks as soon as it does. It's been playing cat and mouse with us though for the past half hour or so, but we're all set up and I am confident. Way it comes, way! I think I got it. I think I got it. Actually took 4 frames. I'll be honest, the light was changing so quickly. I spot metered off a deep shadow area, and then I managed to get a decent reading about 1/8 of a second. So I shot one at 1/8, but also the light came up brighter then, so I shot it at a 15th because there is some sky in there. There should be sufficient shadow detail whilst retaining the sky. It is Ektar after all, but we won't know until we get them back. Well, I have quickly turned myself around 180 degrees, moved off the rocks, dazzled by the sun, and I'm shooting a rock edge over my right shoulder here with my 150mm lens. Let me show you. Okay, you've got the 150 on, set to f/16, and I am shooting. Oh, the sun's gone in again. Well, let's just wait for the sun to come out before we take the shot. It was amazing about 1 minute ago actually, but as soon as I picked the GoPro up and tried to show you, sorry I'm keeping my eye on the sun because it is creeping back in again. As soon as I tried to take the shot, the sun went, so I am going to have to be patient because film is expensive. Now, if this seems like a bit of a hurried vlog tonight, that's because it is. The light is fast fading, we haven't got long and it's only a short trip out tonight, so I'll probably just shoot the one roll of Ektar, but I am hopeful that this is going to be the perfect lighting conditions for this film. It's super saturated, but it also will tame those highlights. Yeah, I think it's a smart choice bringing colour film tonight, even for me. It's probably worth mentioning that I have not shot colour for the past 18 months for a very specific reason, and that is I wanted to really improve my black and white work, my film work, and the only way to do that for me is to exclude colour. So I've had a complete 18 months of mono, and it's all been with 35mm and medium format, no large format either. I've really refined my skills with the Bronica and the Nikon outfit, but I do feel now it's time to mix some stuff back in there with colour, and also a little bit of digital in the future with the Panasonic and the Nikon digital systems. But I'm going to pick my subjects very carefully for colour, and this is one of them. This is one where I thought tonight with the forecast, it's a colour location. I can shoot it in black and white, it's very dramatic, but the colours are absolutely stunning, and I think that's been borne out so far by the images I've taken. But I'm going to wait probably that half an hour for the sun to drop a bit more, be less harsh, and then I'm going to use the remainder of my frames trying to get some different compositions from this location. Well, I've repositioned myself along the ridge, shooting back towards the direction I was in before. And this time I've gone for my wide-angle lens, my 50mm, and I've taken in the whole sweep of the rock edge. But I did need f/22 this time to hold the near foreground, which was much closer to me. Should be okay. This lens isn't brilliant at f22, but it's not bad. And to be honest, it's necessary more than the slight softening I'll get with diffraction. Well, I really fancy a long shot facing in towards the sun, which is over that way. I'm blocking out with my face. I really fancy that, but it's too bright at the moment and I want a long lens on because there's some lovely hills and I'm going to get some nice layering in there if the sun sets off to the left, but it's not there for about another half hour or so. Well, we didn't get the light in the end. The sun was snuffed out, but never mind. I did get 3 shots, so quite pleased with that. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the return to colour, and maybe I'll do more soon. So thanks for watching.